Hi guys, today we are going to solve some questions on classification but not on analogy like our previous videos. So let's begin with the video. Our first question is identify the odd one out. Kiwi, ostrich, emu, eagle and penguin. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is eagle, because all except eagle are flightless birds. Our next question is lake, sea, river, pool, pond. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is river, because all except river contains stagnant water. Our next question is arrow, axe, knife, dagger, sword. You have 10 seconds to answer. If you want more time, you can pause the video. And the correct answer is arrow, because all except arrow are used while holding in hand. Our next question is sun, moon, star, Mars, universe. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is universe, because all except universe is a part of universe itself. Our next question is house, cottage, school, hut, place. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is school, because all except school are a dwelling place. Our next question is turtle, lamb, colt, bitch and pharaoh. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is bitch, because all except bitch are young ones of animal, while bitch is a female dog. Our next question is fox, wolf, deer, jackal, panther. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is and the correct answer is deer. Our next question is cap, turban, helmet, veil and hat. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is veil, because all except veil are wear in head, while veil is wear in face. Our next question is physics, chemistry, botany, geography and zoology. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is geography, because all except geography are science subject. Our next question is deck, quay, stern, bow, mast. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is quay, because all except quay are the parts of a ship. Our next question is assassinate, kill, kidnap, stab, and murder. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is kidnap, because all except kidnap are action of killing. Our next question is rat, squirrel, mongoose, mole, and porcupine. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is mongoose. Our next question is skull, appendix, pelvis, fibula, vertebra. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is appendix, because all except appendix are bones, while appendix is an organ. Our next is canoe, igloo, yacht, dinghy, and raft. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is igloo, because all except igloo are boats, and only igloo is a type of house. Our next question is leon, dirham, bat, lampira, and codes. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is codes, because all except codes are currencies, and codes is a parliament. Our next question is brick, hurt, bridge, spade, club. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is brick. Correct answer is brick, because all except bricks are suit of cards. Our next question is cataract, hypermetropia, trachoma, eczema, glaucoma. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is eczema, because all except eczema are eye infection, while eczema is a skin infection. Our next question is radium, thorium, sodium, polonium, and uranium. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is sodium, because all except sodium are radioisotopes, while sodium is a metal. Our next question is hostel, hotel, inn, club, and motel. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is club. Because all except club are places where people can stay. Our next question is kennel, house, stable, aviary, aquarium. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is house. Because all except house are places to rear ones or to the other animals. Or you can say pet animals and other animals. Our next question is knee, roar, hiss, grunt, thump. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is thump. Because all except thump are sounds of animal. Our next question is seminar, semicolon, semifinal, semicircle, semitone. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is seminar. Because all the words except seminar contains all the words contain semi. But in semicolon, semifinal, semicircle and semitone, the semi means half. But seminar is a type of meeting. Our next question is Venus, Saturn, Earth, Mercury, Neptune. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Earth. Now, Earth is correct answer by two ways. First is all except Earth are the planets which does not contain life, and Earth is the planet that only contains the life in the solar system. And next possibility is all except Earth denotes Roman or Greek gods and goddesses. Our next question is ghost, spirit, phantom, skeletons and apparitions. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is skeleton. Because all except skeletons are synonym and are concerned with superstitions. Our next question is our last question for today is wheat, mustard, rice, gram and peanut. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is rice. Because all except rice are rabi crops while rice is a kharif crops. Guys, if you don't know what rabi and kharif crops is, I tell you that rabi crops are crops which are grown in winter and kharif crops are crops which are grown in summer. So that's the end of the video, our video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you want new notifications from my channel, and share as much as you can. I will be giving some more new question answers in the next video. Till that, tata and goodbye.